What is up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a little deeper look into Hale's Fireworks demo that I went to this past weekend. As you guys might have seen, I released about, I think it was 35 demo videos from the shoot. Here's are some of the items that I wasn't able to get good recordings of, mainly because I got there a little late. Wasn't able to get a front row seat, so all the novelties and fountains just didn't really turn out too well. So here's the ones that they demoed. I think there was 114 items that was demoed off at Hale's Fireworks this year. And you may have noticed that every demo that I showed you guys does have music in it. And that's because Hale's Fireworks had a song for every single firework that related to it. Some of them have the exact same words in them, or at least very similar sounding based on the cake, the fountain, or the novelty, or the ground items, or the rockets, or the Roman candles, which I thought was pretty unique, which I don't see too often, so it was pretty cool to see that. And if you guys have ever seen Pyro, Predator, Shotgun, Kong, Ghost Shadow, or Golden Bear Fireworks, just to let you know, that is Hale's Fireworks house brands. So if you've ever seen any of those 5 different brands and you like them, just let you know, Hale's, if you ever want to do a wholesale order, has very, very reasonable prices for a lot of their cases. And I plan on looking into them for the future. For the Pyro Predator, the Kong, Ghost Shadow, Golden Bear, and Shotgun, I didn't see a single cake, fountain, or even novelty that didn't beat a lot of other competitors out there. It was cool to find out that they're so close to me, about 2-hour drive. And I'm really excited to see what other items I could get from Hale's Fireworks in the future. So make sure to check out Hale's Fireworks in the comment section down below. I'll have their link and their address. If you guys live local, you can definitely check it out if you haven't already. Now, we're going to go ahead and get to the kind of opening ceremony. I guess they had a 21 gun salute of conch shells. Now, one thing I want to talk about before I start that actually is most of these items were shot maybe 75, not even 100 feet away from us. Some of these demos, obviously, that I recorded looked like I wasn't in focus, and that was because the fireworks were so close to us, and the brake charges were breaking so wide that there was no way that I could cover it. So if you guys are anywhere near the Buffalo, Missouri area, when Hale's Fireworks has a demo, I recommend that you come, because you won't forget it, and it's one of the best demos that I've ever been to that's out there in the Midwest. So definitely check it out. But let's go ahead and get to the opening 21 gun salute. And then last, we'll go ahead and take a look at the 2-minute finale that they had at the end of their demo. I do want to let you Pyros know, tomorrow I will release the Pyro musical that was after the finale. But for now, Pyros, I hope you enjoyed this demo. I hope you enjoyed all the demo videos this week. And let's go ahead and get to the 2-minute finale barrage by Hale's Fireworks.
That was just the beginning. Please stay tuned for part 2.